Welcome to Willz Keeps On Rolling. Follow me while we do some stuff I know nothing about. Alright, people. So today I'm going to plant my beloved rhubarb that my mum gave me. Now I did buy a rhubarb 6-7 months ago from the warehouse when it was on special. Planted it, next day gone, possums attacked it. So what I need to do is I'm going to create a little, cover of some description with these What's-its, and hopefully they won't smack on it and we can have rhubarb crumble. Yum, yummo. So let's go. Yeah, come on. Lucky I had a backup plan. Backup plan is some tape. Yeah, that hopefully he says will protect it from the possums. We'll see. We will see. Rhubarb crumble. Yes.